So this one, let's see. Okay, so if that was like that, you'd
So release the lever.
squeeze that lever, squeeze them both, and lock the clutch,
Okay.
and then come to the front, and the red one will go to on, and then here is the choke on,
Okay.
and then you can pull the rope.
Pull the rope. You said give it a little slack.
Yep, just till you pull till it gets tight. Let's see that.
Oh,
Give it a little throttle. There we
give it a
go.
little throttle.
And then turn the choke off and good to go.
Let go.
Yep, you can let hold on. There we go. So this one, here's your full reverse.
It's easier.
Yep.
That's faster.
Yeah, and that's even the second gear. There's third gear, but third, I'll slow it down because third is pretty fast.
Okay.
So
Okay.
squeeze that. Yep, there you go. Now you let that go, she'll go.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
Just walk with it. Walk. Here, we can do this. Whoop. There you go. Now it's a little slower.
Yeah, we're here at Nikolai Repair, and with Luke. He's the son of the owner. You're owner now, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, how do you shut off, huh? Okay. Just
You can put that in neutral, and you can just squeeze this and let that go. Or you can go turn it off in the motor.
okay, let go.
Here, do this.
This is how you turn it off.
Now just let everything go.
Let go. Go, go, go. Let them go spread.
Yep, just let it go.
Then it dies. Okay, there you go. All right, Luke. This is
I don't
it.
know.
I think
That was
we.
small.
Yeah. All right. This.
呢度碌高晒啊，
You know.
碌到住 small 呀。
Luke talking so we'll look this is ours.
Okay.
We'll take it.
All right.
Yeah, I told you. He gonna
Okay.
change my
And just let you know, I'm gonna put you on my YouTube, so advertise you a little bit.
There we go.
Yeah,
Sounds
there you
good.
go. And this is Luke. All right. And
So this one had 3 speed.
Yes.
Three
The other
speeds.
one only had 1.
Yes.
Oh, this was a little faster.
Yes.
all right, this is the BCS 710. It's the smallest one, right?
Yes.
Okay. And the biggest one is what model?
Oh, 779.
779. Okay.
Yep.
All right, and he does repairs. He sells new ones,
Oh,
used
we're looking
ones.
for the.
And what town is this?
Hampton.
Hampton.
Minnesota.
Hampton, Minnesota. Okay. All right, we're gonna get this one. Awesome. All right.